Morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the mathematics laboratory. So we can define the laboratory of mathematics as follows. Math lab is a place where the students can learn and explore the mathematical concepts and verify the mathematical facts and theorems through a variety of activities using uh, different materials. So generally we can understand from this definition means it is a place where the students gets learn the things of mathematics or facts or theorems of mathematics using some material in the supervision of and help of the mathematics teacher. So you can say it is a place of fact findings or it's a place of facts verification in the institution. So the activities whatever may be carry out by carried out in the mathematics lab, they may be either by the students or by the teacher. So the mathematics lab activities can be carried out not only by teachers, they can be carried out by mathematics teacher for stimulation exploration of the facts of mathematics, and it enhances the interest and develop the favorable attitude towards mathematics. So it plays a vital role in development of the uh, students interest, and it develops the positive attitude towards subject of the mathematics. So this is about the mathematics laboratory. We can say briefly place of learning and exploration of the fact verifications of verification of theorems, and which can enhances the interest and positive attitude towards the mathematics is known as mathematics laboratory. Yes, what are the advantages of mathematics laboratory? We will see the advantages of mathematics laboratory. We can list out as follows. There are so many advantages. Just I am listing down some advantages to understand the um, need of mathematics laboratory to every math to teacher and student. So the students can understand the basic concepts up to date, so they will get a clear idea about the basic concepts of mathematics. This is the first advantage we can say. And the lab enables to verify and discover the properties using the models which are available in mathematics laboratory. And among the students also we can enhance the interest and confidence of learning mathematics, who are in the phobia of mathematics is a abstract subject. So with this mathematics laboratory we can remove the phobia that mathematics is not only not the abstract subject. It can be converted and it can be learned using the concrete concepts like the models and other things. And the students, by learning the mathematical facts and theorems, they can relate them to their day-to-day life to solve the real life problems in different situations. So we can list out so many advantages when we compare to the when we compare with other subjects. So, and one more thing also we can list out some other advantages also. It encourages to think and discuss among them students. Though in this way they the student will be encouraged by the student teacher to think, and they discuss with their friends in the laboratory to find out the fact or to verify the fact. So it automatically establishes the social values or social uh, good social setup among the students. And using mathematics laboratory, the teacher can demonstrate and explain the abstractical mathematical concepts by using concrete objects like models, posters, pictures, graphs, and others. And the student also enjoys the working together with other friends, so they will get the freedom of action to establish a good rapport between among the students. So they will get a freedom to act, to find out the solution, or to verify the fact or theorem of the mathematical concept, which is either it is concrete or abstract. So we can list out some other mathematical laboratory advantages according to the psychologists. They can the mathematics laboratory facilitate for the development of uh, first one, cognitive abilities. Second one, the student possesses skills of mathematics, and it develops the scientific attitude, and the students can understand the nature of mathematics. In this way, the laboratory of mathematics has so many advantages to the students, and it is very helpful to the teacher to teach obstacle concepts in a easy way. So these are the some advantages we can list out. There are so many advantages as science laboratory in science subject, but it has somewhat back compared to the mathematics establishment, some science laboratories, because the mathematical laboratories are not established in a wide range all over the nation. So these laboratories are not coming into the force to use. So as in the mathematics teacher, we have to use and establish the mathematics laboratories in every school if it is possible. These are some advantages we can quote. And what are the approaches to work in the laboratory of mathematics? So we have discussed about the methods, approaches, and strategies in the previous chapter. So I'm not going in depth about the approaches and methods. Generally, there are three methods or approaches we can utilize in laboratory work in mathematics subjects. They are deductive approach, inductive approach, and third one is problem solving approach. So if we see at the deductive approach, you know already what is this. We can use this approach for verification of the mathematical concepts, facts, and theorems. And if you go to the second one, inductive approach, this method is used by the students for search of the patterns, relationships, and quantities, and they can apply in the mathematical concepts. The third one is we have discussed already about this problem solving approach also in the previous chapters, so I'm not discussing about this. Provides an opportunity to the learners to do open-ended activities and experiments to explore themselves, to learn the mathematical concepts which are in abstract mode, and they can be converted into the concrete mode by these approaches. They can learn the mathematical concepts in an easy way. With this, we can say these are the few approaches to do the practical work in the mathematical laboratory. With this, the introduction and the approaches of mathematics laboratory is completed.